Could y'all believe I was going for a brown color? We got urban orange, cinnamon, red velvet, bro. We got all types of fucking colors going on here. Y'all, it's gotta be my 10,000th time trying to film this shit. But I tried dyeing the wig. It ain't work. So now I gotta bleach the wig. And I really didn't want to bleach the wig because this wig is absolutely terrible. I got it off of Aliexpress. I tried to return it and I just don't got energy for the return process. She told me the lady said I gotta wait this, that, and the third, and your girl's not doing that. So what I'm gonna do now is fuck it and bleach the wig. I'm going to use my Clairol BW2 powder per usual, and I'm also going to use 30 developer because I'm trying to get this shit to bleach really fast. And I know I shouldn't, but I'm just gonna slap the bleach on because your girl don't got time. So yeah. All right, y'all. So I just mixed my 30 volume developer as well as some Clairol BW2 packets. These shits is actually expensive, y'all. I don't know why BW2 packets is that expensive, but when I used to buy it, it used to be like $1.99. At CVS, that shit was $4, so I have to go to the Beauty Supply store because I don't know what's in they fucking in they cup. But so I'm just gonna start off by bleaching the ends first and then work my way up to the roots. All right, y'all, so it's been a little while since we were bleaching the hair, but so I actually dyed the hair already last night, but I dyed it while it was black. So you literally, like, when I started bleaching, like, that was the color of the, like, that was me dyeing the hair. That was after me dyeing the hair. So you literally could not see the color or anything, but as the bleach is lifting the hair, you can literally see, oh shit, I missed the spot. You could literally see how nice the honey brown color suits the hair, but I got a whole different color. I'm actually gonna watercolor it. So let's see, y'all. Let's go on an adventure. All right, y'all. I know the wig looking for crazy, but I had this whole ordeal where I just thought I had this wig. But this is after I washed the bleach out. What I'm doing is I just put some of that honey brown color. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna mix it in and then just throw the wig in to give it a watercolor effect. I don't know, y'all. Just wish me luck. I already started off by cleaning my my forehead. I actually was not going to put a wig cap on. I was just gonna install it like that because it's a 5x5, but you know, it's kind of not the best idea. Immediately starting off, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Kiss foundation, any type of foundation, and I'm just gonna coat my cap with it. I'm just gonna coat a little bit of it, nothing too crazy. So off camera, I measured the wig and made sure that it looked good on my head. Y'all, I had to manually pluck the bitch, but right now I'm gonna go in using my Bold Hold Active. I really feel like this is the best glue on the market right now. So I'm actually gonna turn the wig glueless. I just love gluing my my units because, you know, when I'm getting busy. But you feel me, like, you could do everything when your wig is glued down, but when it's glueless, sometimes you really can't get away with everything. So yeah, y'all, one of the best tips that I've learned while installing your wig, after you put your foundation on the lace, you want to go in with a holding spray. I like to use the Tresemme Professional. This is a level 4. I never seen level 5. I feel like that shit is always sold out, but you just want to go in and just spray that so that you could set it so that when you put it on your the glue, the oil from the foundation won't seep through and get into the onto your glue. So that makes it you know, longevity. It lets the wig last longer on your head and things of that nature. And you feel me? Like, we outside, y'all. We need this wig to lay the fuck down. Okay, so alrighty, y'all. So now it's time for the moment of truth. So I actually really don't like the color of this wig that I did, y'all. It was such a mess. Super ghetto. Would not recommend it, but I need my hair done, y'all. So we gonna finesse this somewhere somehow. All right, y'all, I know I look absolutely crazy, but we gonna finesse this thing. So now that I finished putting the lace on the glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my elastic band. I actually got this from the beauty supply store, and I was like, all right, y'all, like, because I remember it used to be so hard for me to find in a really good elastic band. But here we are. So I'm just gonna tie that, and it's Velcro. So since it wasn't the best idea for me to start off with my baby hairs first, I'm just pushing them back a tad, and hopefully I snip some of it so that you feel me, I get that natural baby hair effect. Y'all, oh my god, I just realized that my lashes look absolutely ed, but it's okay. All right, I really don't like this hair color, y'all, but it's okay. That's all right. We're gonna get into with it. But as y'all can see, it's way darker than it was in the like past few seconds, because you feel me, I had to go to work. I had my elastic band on for the whole day. I did take it off, y'all, and when I tell you, this lace look ashy as fuck, bitch. Oh my god, she's ashy. So I gotta freaking fix that before we get to like fixing my part in my baby hairs. So this is what it's looking like right now, but it's giving real ginger, real redhead, real auburn. And I'm just gonna go ahead and go back in with my foundation that I used. I actually went to the beauty supply store and got this because I wanted a darker foundation, but can y'all believe it's like really hard finding a foundation that has like gray undertones, because the redder undertones for me on top of a wig cap, it looks really weird. You know what I mean? So I wanted to get something that had some like gray undertones so that it could match like the wig cap. Can't find that though, but I'm going to just pat this on there. All right, y'all, so now that my lace, the lace itself, she's giving a little blend. I'm gonna bring out those baby hairs that I had earlier. I ain't touched those things. I just was, it's been a long day, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all, if it look like I take my baby hair seriously, because I do. Y'all know that I do not ever do baby hairs, and the last time I did do it, it did come out really good, but I got the left side looking really short, so I had to like finesse and do a little swoop-de-whoop, and I'm not trying to do that today. So per usual though, as y'all know, I'm going in using Nairobi. My shit is done, as y'all can see. I'm struggling, but I'm gonna use my Nairobi to lay my edges. Okay, this is really all you need, to be honest. And just like that, we got the baby hairs doing a little something for the girls. So right now, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm going to grab my Denman brush, best brush on the planet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle and reflatten my hair. Oh my god, we look cute. Yo, I was doubting this wig. I was not jacking this wig. I actually had so much. The vendor, when they sent me the wig, when I flattened the hair the first time, that shit was brand. I'm actually gonna install a picture right here of how the hair literally was like, it was melting, like you could see like the freaking hair melting. So that's why I'm not even gonna tag who this vendor is. Like, y'all just go on to Aliexpress and check and just look for an affordable wig. I only got this wig because it was like $150 you know, the price is real cute, real nice, real sweet, and that's why I really can't complain about the quality that I got, because I paid for what I got, you know what I mean? But after I literally dyed the hair first, then I bleached it, then I watercolored it, and then I flat ironed the fuck out of it, and it's, you know, it's not that bad. It's giving what it has to give. But after I used this oil, the hair actually wasn't melting, so maybe the hair wasn't moisturized enough, but I think that's bullshit, because I've had plenty of human hair and I've never had an issue with my hairs burning or shedding crazy or any of that. So y'all gonna see me do that. Oh my god, y'all, sidebar, but is it me or like they don't make lashes how they used to make them? And I mean make them symmetrical, because I feel like every time I wear lashes, maybe it's my placement, but I don't know, like, because when I be looking in the tray, it looks weird, but like I'll put my lashes on and then like the tip of my lash is like fluffier than the other, or it's longer than the other, and even if I switch the lashes, it wouldn't make sense because it would look stupid. I don't know, man, because I get all my lashes from Aliexpress, and you feel me, I don't know, this just rubbed me the wrong way. Oh, and I didn't use heat protector because I already sprayed my hair with heat protector, so don't come for me. Thank you. Y'all, so I just finished flat ironing my hair. So I gotta do some poses with it to make sure, you know, we look alright. Alright, y'all, so about this part, it's invisible, so I'm just going with any concealer that you're comfortable with. I just like to go in using my Too Faced concealer. Any concealer really works, to be honest. And this one is kind of light, this one is really light. This is what I used to highlight my brows, and I'm only using this because if I use a darker color, you're literally not gonna see the part, and I kind of want the part to show a bit. So bear with me while I lightly try to apply this. And just so y'all know that I actually earlier, the reason why my part was so dark is because earlier I put foundation on the part after I put concealer on, and I'm gonna do that again, but I'm going to just do a little bit of foundation, because I don't like this really light part, because I'm black as fuck. So why is my part like yellow? You know what I mean? So I'm going to try to see if I can make something work real quick. So I'm just gonna do literally a little dot, that dot, and we're gonna see if we can make something work with that, y'all. So I just coated my brush a little bit, and I'm just gonna dab that on. I don't want to say that putting the foundation on made any huge difference, but it did make some type of difference for me. So yeah, guys, so this is the final and finished look. It's not the best, but I just need some content out there for y'all, because I'm not gonna lie, like, I know there's people who can't do their hair that well, but you could do your hair good enough to fool the girls. I mean, not the girls, because we all know that the real, but to fool the niggas, because you feel me, like, we gotta look good. So this color was absolutely random. Like, if you guys watched the video or if you guys heard me complaining the whole time, this unit like killed me. I did so much to it. I did so much bleaching, I did so much dyeing of the wig, and this is the color that I got. I struggled a lot trying to, like, you know, fuck with it. It's not the worst thing out there. This is not the color that I was going for, but here it is, and I'm probably gonna wear this wig for like 2 weeks, because I'm actually gonna order another wig, but I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, Thanksgiving, because they having a crazy sale on Aliexpress, y'all. So being soon. But yeah, so hopefully I get this video up like now. As always, I do sincerely appreciate you guys, my dollies. I love you guys to death, as always, and I do sincerely appreciate the likes, the comments, the shares, the subscriptions, all of it. I do sincerely appreciate it, and we about to go up. Thank you guys as always, and I will catch you guys in the next video, and it will be a next video and a video after that, and then after that one, because we need the YouTube coin. But yeah, per usual, love you guys to death, and like I said, I will see you guys in the next video.